How to post as anonymous on Facebook group. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now in here, you'll find groups. Click on groups. You'll find all the groups you're joined in. Now select the group where you want to post. In here, you'll find Write Something. Click on Write Something. Then you can add a picture or add any text you want. After that, at the top, you'll find Participate Anonymously. Simply click on it to turn it on. After you click on it, at the bottom, you'll find Got It. Click on Got It. Then it will be turned on. You can press on Post at the top right corner of your screen, and you will be able to post anonymously. Also, this is only available if your group admin has turned on. And this is how to post as anonymous on Facebook group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.